Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to lesson 3 of our English to Punjabi language course. Today we are going to learn Punjabi sounds and pronunciation. Pronunciation is very important because if we pronounce a word incorrectly, its meaning can change. So let's begin. The first word is alif, the Punjabi equivalent of A. Example of it is alif jeem aj, which you can write in English AJ, and it means today. Aj, today. The next is Be, which is the equivalent of English letter B. Its example is Baba. Be alif, Be alif, Be alif ba, Be alif ba, Baba, which in English is commonly used for father, and in Punjabi it's mostly used for an old man. The next word is Pe, which is equivalent of P. Example of it is Pani, Pe alif pa, noon chotiye ni, Pani, which means in English is water. The next word is Te, which is an English equivalent of tea, simple tea. Example of it is Tandoor. Tandoor, Te noon tan dalwa do re dur, Tandoor, which is a kind of stove in which you cook bread. Te, which is equivalent to the strong sound of T in English. Examples are Tibba, Tibba, Tibba. This word means in English as sand dune. The next one is Dal, Dal, which is also equivalent to strong D in English. Dal dole, Dal dole, Dal dole. It is a kind of pot used for carrying water with a handle on top to carry, like a bucket. But it's a special type of bucket because there is another word for bucket in Punjabi. The next word is Ade, Ade. No words start with this word in Punjabi. It comes in between the letters. The example is Roda, Roda. In English, it means a stone, a small stone which you can throw on somebody. So now we'll practice these words together. Pani, Pani, Pani. Baba, Baba, Baba. Roda, Roda, Roda. Dole, Dole, Dole. Aj, Aj, Aj. Can you pronounce these words now? Comment below. Excellent. Thank you for learning Punjabi with Sterling Radio Punjabi Dharti. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like, share and subscribe. In our next lesson, we will learn Punjabi vowels. See you in lesson 4. Allah Hafiz.